Hey guys, how's it going? How to keep your audience after TikTok's ban. First, transition platforms. Make sure that you go to your TikTok and encourage followers to join you on platforms like Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts or Facebook. You can see right here, you can add a link so people can have access to your, let's say, channel or any other platform that you use, right? Secondly, what you're gonna do, you need to diversify content, adapt your style to fit the new platform's strengths while maintaining your unique brand. So if you're using Twitter or Instagram, you need to adjust to their algorithm, right? Leverage new tools. Utilize features on other platforms like live streams, communities to deepen audience relationships, or using stories to ask people questions or do a poll, right? Let's have an example. I'm doing this post. Click the sticker at the top, and you can add a poll to engage more with the audience, right? And lastly, communicate early. Inform your audience of the changes and guide them through the transition process. In that way, you're going to be able to keep your audience and get the most people to your new platforms. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.